Hi, now I will show you how to recover your MacBook Air laptop with the factory settings. For this, you need to restart your MacBook. While restarting, press the Command plus R button. Command plus R button. Keep pressing that Command plus R button. And the Apple logo appear. Leave it. Now the recovery assistant window is opened. Now it is asking the local user account password. Apple is my local user account. I know that password. Put the password and then click continue. After this, you will get one window called reinstall Mac OS Big Sur. If you want to install a new copy of Mac OS Big Sur onto your Mac, if you want to reinstall the Mac OS with the factory settings, you have to select this option. If you click this reinstall Mac OS Big Sur, what are the files is there in your MacBook Air laptop or MacBook OS, all your files will be lost. Before installing that Mac OS, reinstalling, you should took your backup, otherwise your files will be deleted. Then click the continue button. Then it is asking to set up the installation of Mac OS Big Sur. Click continue. If you click this continue button, your MacBook Air laptop, it will come to be with default settings, factory settings. What are the files is there? Your important data files or pictures or videos, everything will be lost. Before click the continue button, you should take your backup. Now I am clicking continue. To continue installing software, you must agree to the terms of the software license agreement. Agree. I have read and agree to the terms of the software. Press click agree button. Then it is showing select the disk where you want to install Mac OS. Macintosh HD, Macintosh HD data, Macintosh HD data. There are three partitions is there. You can select any of the one. See, if we click this, it is showing unlock. I am clicking Macintosh HD data. Mac OS will be installed on the disk Macintosh HD data. About 2 hours and 19 minutes remaining. After the 2 hours 19 minutes, your Mac OS will be installed successfully. Thank you.